friends. Today I am going to present before you a peculiar process of laundering. In this laundry and laundering, there is no dirty clothes involved. There is no detergent and definitely no water or washing machine. Hence, no drying as well. Yes, you guessed it right. I am going to talk to you about money laundering. Instead of dirty clothes being laundered in the usual laundry, here we find dirty money. Instead of poor launderers, here we find extremely intelligent and dangerous criminals and white-collared banking officials. This laundry has entire universe as its field of operation and not restricted to a small local area or a street in the usual laundering of the clothes. Let us try to understand what is money laundering. The conversion of money from illegal source when used in the legal activities is called money laundering. Money earned from various illegal activities is converted to legal money by channelizing them through banks and shell companies. This is money laundering in simple terms. It is not possible to give a comprehensive definition of money laundering because money laundering takes different forms and different methods are used to convert illegal money into clean money. And using this clean money, properties are acquired, possessed, and used as well. All that money acquired through extortion, insider trading, drug trafficking, illegal gambling, which are used to make purchases and possession of property and other assets, is said to be money laundering. A typical money laundering process involves 3 steps. They are: number 1, placement. In this stage, illegal cash is introduced into the financial system by several means. Number 2, layering. This stage involves exercising various complex financial transactions to conceal and to camouflage the illegal source of cash. Number 3, integration. This is the final stage where wealth generated from the illicit cash or fund is used to acquire properties and other legal assets. It is not necessary that a typical money laundering process should follow all these steps. Some of these steps may be omitted depending on the nature of the source of money acquired. Several methods are adopted to convert the dirty money into white money or clean money. The most common methods are offshore account, 2. Anonymous shell account, 3. Money mules, 4. Integrated financial service, 5. Smurfing, 6. Virtual currencies. In addition to this, there are several other methods by which they resort to money laundering. I would like to concentrate on some of these. Corrupt politicians and big businessmen usually use shell companies to convert their illegal money. A simple definition of a shell company is: it is a corporation without active business operation or significant assets. Even though these companies or corporations are not necessarily illegal, but sometimes they are used as a mode of legalizing the money from illegal and illegitimate activities. Of late, money laundering by using money mules has become very rampant. Here, a person is identified who is a genuine customer of a bank. This money mule agrees to share his bank details and cash is deposited into his account. Later, they send this money to some other bank accounts after paying for the services of the mule. You call it a fees, usually on a percentage basis. In this way, the dirty money is made clean and the mule becomes rich instantly by sharing his bank details and by following the instructions after receiving the money in his account. Several slang terms like deeds, square are used in this process. The recent trend is young people are becoming very easy prey for being money mules. Another very common method used by the launderers is smurfing. Smurfing financial deposit is a crime. It is also complicated. A large amount of deposit would attract the authorities. Therefore, they are divided and deposited in different banks. Smurfing is far more serious when overseas transactions are involved but not reported to the local authorities. Then comes the virtual currency. This is the latest method used by the criminals to launder the illegal money. Bitcoin is a very good example of virtual currency. Virtual currency's inherent and inbuilt anonymity is a very, very effective and convenient method to wash the dirty money. Moreover, it is difficult and well nigh impossible to track the transactions conducted by using these currencies. An unprecedented surge in the prices of cryptocurrencies in recent times is mainly due to its extensive use by the criminals. Friends, corruption is the root cause of global money laundering. Corruption is used to hide corruption in this way. The extent of money laundering is shocking. Globally, it is estimated or guesstimated that nearly $2 trillion of illegal money is laundered every year. Friends, in the next installment of my video, I would like to bring forth some shocking cases of money laundering in India. It is my objective that through these videos, the knowledge gained should never be used for laundering money. It is only to stop laundering of money that is my objective. Thank you.